Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are sharing for sarees fashion choices of Kushita Kalapur. She often chooses vibrant colors with gold zari work, reflecting the grandeur of South Indian traditions. These sarees, with their opulent brocade work, are another favorite. Kushita's choices here emphasize the regal and timeless appeal of Banarasi silk. Embracing the local craftsmanship, she often opts for handloom sarees which showcase the artisanal skills of various Indian regions. Her khadi sarees highlight sustainable fashion while being steeped in traditional beauty. Her saree gowns often feature sleek cuts, ruffles, and embellishments. She frequently experiments with fabrics like organza, chiffon, and net, which add a contemporary flair to traditional saree drapes. Kushita Kalapur's saree fashion choices are a vibrant tapestry woven with threads of tradition, innovation, and personal flair. Her sartorial elegance is rooted deeply in the rich cultural heritage of India, as she frequently opts for sarees that tell stories of craftsmanship and legacy. Whether draped in the opulence of Kanjivaram silks with their gleaming gold zari work, or the regal splendor of Banarasi sarees adorned with intricate brocade patterns, the actress celebrates the timeless beauty of classic Indian textiles. She is also a patron of handloom and khadi, championing the artisanal skills of regional weavers and advocating for sustainable fashion practices. Her style is far from being confined to the traditional. She seamlessly integrates contemporary elements into her wardrobe, from pre-draped sarees that offer ease in a modern silhouette, to saree gowns that blend the fluidity of a saree with the structured elegance of evening wear. Her experimentation with hybrid fabrics like organza and chiffon adds a contemporary twist to her traditional drapes, making her ensembles versatile and fresh. Kushita's love for detailed embellishments is evident in her choice of sarees rich with Zadozi embroidery, sequins, and beadwork that shimmer and shine, adding layers of depth and glamour to her look. She embraces the art of applique and patchwork, often choosing sarees that are not just garments but canvases of artistic expression. Her color palette is as varied as it is exquisite, ranging from the bold vibrancy of reds, pinks, and oranges that exude energy and confidence, to the soft pastels and neutrals that evoke a sense of calm and understated elegance. Monochrome sarees and those with sharp contrasts often feature in her wardrobe, their simplicity underscoring a refined sophistication. The way Kushita drapes her sarees speaks volumes about her creative prowess. She masterfully adopts the classic Navy style for a timeless appeal, while also exploring regional draping techniques like the Bengali or Gujarati styles that bring a touch of cultural richness to her outfits. Accessories play a pivotal role in her sartorial narrative. She knows how to strike a balance, sometimes adorning herself with statement pieces like ornate necklaces and chandelier earrings that complement her saree's grandeur, and at other times choosing minimalist jewelry to maintain a sleek and modern aesthetic. Her blouse choices are equally dynamic, ranging from traditional designs that harmonize with her saree's intricate patterns, to experimental cuts and styles that add a bold and contemporary edge to her ensemble. Her fashion choices are deeply attuned to the occasion, with opulent, heavily embroidered sarees for festive and wedding celebrations, lighter, more understated designs for casual and everyday wear, and sleek, sophisticated options for corporate and formal events. Kushita Kalapur's saree fashion is a captivating blend of heritage, innovation, and personal expression, creating a narrative that is as diverse as it is cohesive. Her choices reflect a deep respect for traditional Indian textiles, often seen in her preference for rich, opulent fabrics and age-old weaving techniques. Sarees like the Kanjivaram, with their luxurious silk and intricate gold zari work, are a mainstay in her wardrobe, symbolizing the grandeur and cultural richness of South India. These sarees, known for their durability and detailed craftsmanship, often feature temple borders and motifs inspired by nature, adding a timeless elegance to her look. Similarly, the Banarasi sarees, with their complex brocade patterns and lush silk, highlight her affinity for garments that are steeped in history and craftsmanship. Her collection frequently includes exquisite handloom sarees from various Indian regions, each piece reflecting the unique techniques and traditions of its place of origin. These choices not only showcase her appreciation for the artisan's skill but also her commitment to supporting sustainable and ethical fashion practices. She is adept at infusing modern elements into her saree choices, creating a seamless blend of old and new. Pre-draped sarees are a testament to her innovative approach, combining the elegance of a saree with the convenience of a modern garment. These sarees, often designed with unconventional draping styles, reflect her ability to adapt traditional attire to contemporary lifestyles. Saree gowns are another example of her modern twist on classic sarees. By merging the fluid drape of a saree with the structured silhouette of a gown, she creates ensembles that are perfect for formal events, offering a sophisticated yet unconventional look. Her experimentation with fabrics extends to lighter, more fluid materials like chiffon, georgette, and organza. These choices add a contemporary flair to her outfits, allowing her to play with translucency, layering, and movement in a way that traditional heavy silks might not. Her sari choices are also characterized by their intricate embellishments. She has a penchant for saris adorned with rich zardozi, delicate embroidery, and shimmering sequins, each detail adding a layer of luxury and artistry to her ensemble. For evening wear and special occasions, she frequently chooses saris embellished with sequins and beads, which glisten under lights and add a touch of glamour and festivity to her look. Her color palette is a vivid spectrum, reflecting her dynamic personality in the diverse moods she wishes to convey through her attire. Bright, vibrant hues like reds, yellows, and royal blues dominate her festive and celebratory looks, exuding a sense of joy and confidence. In contrast, soft pastels and neutral tones are her go-to for creating a serene and sophisticated appearance, perfect for more understated settings. Monochrome saris, particularly in black and white, are a staple in her wardrobe, their simplicity underscoring a sleek and elegant aesthetic that is timeless and versatile. Draping styles are where her creativity truly shines. The Bengali drape, with its distinctively pleated pallu thrown over the shoulder, or the Gujarati drape, where the pallu is brought to the front, are both part of her repertoire. These draping techniques add a cultural depth to her outfits and highlight her versatility in wearing saris. She also embraces contemporary draping methods, using belts, brooches, and unconventional blouses to redefine how a sari can be worn. Pairing saris with crop tops, jackets, or asymmetric blouses is a frequent choice, allowing her to fuse traditional attire with modern fashion trends seamlessly. Accessories are an integral part of her sari ensembles. Her choices here range from the grand to the minimal, always perfectly complementing the sari. For traditional looks, she often opts for statement jewelry like heavy jhumkas, intricate necklaces, and stacks of bangles, which add a touch of regality and complete the opulent feel of her outfit. The versatility in her blouse selections is noteworthy as well, with designs ranging from classic silk blouses that harmonize with traditional saris to bold and experimental cuts that add a contemporary edge to her look. Her sari choices are also meticulously aligned with the occasion. For grand weddings and festive celebrations, she leans towards saris that are rich in color and embellishments, reflecting the grandeur of the event. These saris often feature elaborate embroidery, heavy silk, and intricate designs, making them perfect for such opulent occasions. For casual outings and everyday wear, she prefers lighter fabrics and simpler designs that offer comfort while maintaining a stylish appearance. Her choices for corporate and formal events are typically sleek and sophisticated, with saris that have clean lines, muted colors, and subtle detailing, projecting professionalism and elegance. Her personal touch is evident in every aspect of her sari fashion. She often customizes her saris, adding bespoke embroidery, unique blouse designs, or personal motifs that make each piece uniquely hers. If you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for videos. Thanks for watching.